The SAT really focuses on your ability to understand math speak. So, a lot of the questions on the test are going to be pretty incomprehensible to those who are not super well versed in function format or words such as coefficient or base. So, it's very important to understand what they mean by f at 1 is equal to k. This is just another way of writing y. And particularly, the number that is enclosed in parentheses is just the value of x. So what this is saying is that k is the value of what you would get if you set x equal to 1 into all of these functions. And for those who are not super aware of what the definitions of coefficient and base are, coefficient just means these guys who are kind of stuck in front of these functions over here, and the base is just literally whatever you're taking to the power of. Anything you take to the power of something becomes the base. So you could literally use your calculator to plug 1 into all of these guys and check what you get for k and see if k actually becomes part of these. But if you're an astute observer, you can kind of tell that, well, if I put 1 here, right, that's going to give me 50 times 1.6 to the power of 2. Is that really going to give me 50 or 1.6? Very unlikely. Same thing for b. But there's a very interesting thing that happens when you put x equals 1 here, which is that you get 1.6 to the power of 0. Now, this is also another mathematical fact that you have to know, which is that any number taken to the power of 0 is actually 1. So because 1.6 to the power of 0 is actually 1, you're going to get right back at that 128, and 128 is definitely a coefficient in this case. So we're going to go ahead and pick C.